Knockoff or a knockout? Do you ever wonder if it's worth it to buy the generic version of something? Like even when you're at the store and you're buying Tylenol and you decide to just go with generic ibuprofen, how often do you find yourself buying the generic brand over the original? In today's episode of Knockoff or Knockout, we are going to be analyzing beautiful designer shoes. I want you to be the jury. Tell me in the comments below. So stay tuned because we're going to need the jury's opinion as to whether this is a knockoff or a knockout. So as girls do, I was browsing the other day and I came across the most beautiful shoe that I have seen in a really long time because as you know, we're all at home in quarantine and I haven't seen any beautiful shoes except some lazy sandals that are just for walking around the house. And I saw these and I thought, oh my gosh, those are really pretty. And I like to have very versatile heels and shoes because then they match with everything. And especially if you wear neutral colors, then I don't know, sometimes I just like to wear clear when it comes to having like a nude color tank top, a nude color dress, or something like that. So anyways, I saw these, I was like, I have to buy them. And on top of that, they were on sale for like $13 or $15 or something like that. So I said, I'm gonna get them. And I'm not a fan of shopping for shoes because I just sometimes feel like it's burdensome and a disappointment to try them on and then send them back. So I was really excited to try these because I wanted to find out whether they were going to fit properly and how they were gonna look, honestly. And then come to find out, as I was Googling this shoe, I saw that it, I think, is actually a replica of the Amina Muaddi shoe. So I'm going to post it right here so that you can see what the Amina Muaddi shoe looks like that retails for somewhere between $800 and $900. So I haven't purchased the original Amina Muaddi shoe because, well, it's $800 to $900. Did I say that already? And these were only $13. Did I say that already? So anyway, I much preferred to spend $13 over spending $800 to $900 for a pair of shoes that looked almost exactly the same, but I bought these first. So I didn't really know that the other ones existed until after the fact. So I'm gonna try these on and show you exactly what they look like. But aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh. Tell me, do you think these are beautiful or not? Would your husband get mad at you if you spent between $800 to $900? Or would your husband be like, man, those are nice? And anyway, this little signature heel right here is very signature for Amina Muaddi. And so when I try these on and I show you a side-by-side comparison of the Amina Muaddi shoe, I think you will know exactly what I am talking about. Do these shoes look like a knockoff or a knockout? I'm having a little trouble with this strap that won't seem to stay behind my ankle. I'm not sure if the original Amina Muaddi shoe has this issue, but I don't seem to have that issue on the left foot. What do you think? I kind of feel like Cinderella or Dorothy. Cinderella. The time has come for you to tell me in the comments below whether you think the $13 pair of shoes is a complete knockoff or whether they're a total knockout.